I'm recording, old boy. Hey, Edward. Gonna touch off a Tannerite bomb over here on the dam, or off the dock of the lake, and we're going to shoot it in the Chicken Island. And
we've got a bomb placed in a beaver entrance hole.
There you go.
Trying to see if we can drive the beaver out.
That's right. And
Let me see if I can hit this thing and get it over with.
Hang on, old friend.
I'll do it before the rain gets here.
Oh.
We got to set up, go to the other side of the pond and do the other one.
That's right. Oh yeah.
Close enough for you?
Oh, look out. Close enough. Oh, look out. Go, hit it.
Fire in the hole?
Fire in the hole. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. That is good fun. Oh.
Good morning.
I probably got their attention. What would you say?
I'm thinking so.
Absolutely.
If there was anybody in there, they knew we were there.
Absolutely. What do you think about that, Bosco? All right. We'll have to go over to number 2 now.
Yeah, there's one more. I want to sit here and watch the mouth of this hole for a minute, see if somebody comes staggering out. Beaver tube. I try not to remember anything he said. What a goober.
There's a second one out here at the corner.
All right, let's get it over with.
Fire in the hole.
Here we go.
That was an intense shockwave, buddy. I don't know. Look at the secondary, the other smoke coming out of the other hole.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty serious.
See, they sealed that hole up too.
Look, I'll tell you something else. Look here. On the other side, the left side of the island, there's a shockwave run out of that other hole.
Yeah, they're all connected.
How about that? Well, if they're in there, they certainly felt it.
We'll sit and wait on them for a minute and see if they decide to pop up. They could very well show one of themselves in a moment.
Oh, buddy.
Bad for them. I smell it, the wind out of the southeast.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like we got a secondary in there.
Got a little blaze going. Oh, funny.
What are you doing? You know, I still do have part ownership.